Hello everyone. In today's class, that is day 2, we are going to understand transverse common tangent with the concept of similarity of triangles. Okay. సో ఈరోజు మనం ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ సిమిలారిటీ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తే ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలనేది ఒకసారి మనం చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్? సో బేసిక్గా మనకున్న ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏంటి అంటే దెర్ విల్ బి టూ సర్కిల్స్ లైక్ దిస్ C1 అండ్ C2, అండ్ ఈ టూ సర్కిల్స్కి ఒక లైన్ అనేది ఇలా డ్రా చేస్తారు విచ్ విల్ టచ్ ద సర్కిల్స్ అట్ 2 పాయింట్స్. సో ఈ పర్టికులర్ లైన్ అనేది సర్కిల్ ని 2 పాయింట్స్ టచ్ అవుతుంది. లెట్ us టేక్ దమ్ as A and B, and the circle centers we will take it as O and O dash, and if you join these 2 points, this particular line O dash will be called as what? Distance between the centers D. It will be distance between the centers D. Next, if I join the points O and A, this particular line OA will be called as the radius of the first circle. We will take it as R1, and this line segment O dash B will be taken as the radius of the second circle, that is R2. So basically radius and tangent always intersect at right angles. Okay, so the information what we will have. So question solve చేయడానికి మనకి ఏ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది అంటే distance between the centers D ఉంటుంది, radius of the first circle R1 and radius of the second circle R2. The question is you have to find the length of AB. The question is you have to find the length of AB. అంటే length of the transverse common tangent length మనం find చేయాలి. So L is equal to, the formula will be root over D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. The formula is L is equal to root over D square minus R1 plus R2 whole square. Next, సో దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని అసలు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్స్ కి ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అనేది మనం ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సి దీస్ ఆర్ టూ సర్కిల్స్ C1 అండ్ C2. సో దిస్ ఇస్ సర్కిల్ C1, దిస్ ఇస్ సర్కిల్ C2. సో బేసికల్లీ దీస్ సర్కిల్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ నాన్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ సర్కిల్స్. నాన్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ నాన్ టచింగ్ సర్కిల్స్. సో ఏవైనా టూ సర్కిల్స్ కానీ ఇలా ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, టచ్ అవ్వకుండా అలానే ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవ్వకుండా, ఆ టూ సర్కిల్స్ కి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అంటే దేర్ విల్ బి 4 కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్. అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ ఈ ఫిగర్ లో కూడా మీకు చూడొచ్చు ఆ 4 కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్ ఏంటా అనేది. సే దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టాంజెంట్, లెట్ us టేక్ ఇట్ as AB. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్స్ A అండ్ B తీసుకుంటే AB అనేది ఫస్ట్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్. నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ వన్. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్స్ ఏమని తీసుకుంటారు? CD. Okay, so AB and CD are the first two common tangents. Basically they are called as what type of common tangents? They are called as transverse common tangents. So TCT అని రాస్తున్నాను నేను. TCT means it is transverse common tangent. And next, ఇంకొక 2 tangents డ్రా చేసి ఉన్నాయి. See, this is the third one. The third common tangent, we will take the point of contact as P and Q. And next, this is the fourth common tangent. Point of contacts, we take them as R and S. So basically PQ and RS, these two common tangents will be called as direct common tangents. They are called as direct common tangents. So we will be having 4 common tangents toward transverse common tangent and the remaining toward direct common tangents. Next, whenever the circles are touching each other, whenever the circles are touching each other like this. Okay, so whenever the circles are touching each other, we cannot draw transverse common tangent. So circles ఎప్పుడైనా ఎక్స్టర్నల్ గా టచ్ అయితే మనం ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్ డ్రా చేయడానికి అవ్వదు. ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ డ్రా డైరెక్ట్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్, ద సెకండ్ డైరెక్ట్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్. ఓకే, we name them as AB, and the next one is CD, and this is the third common tangent. This is the third common tangent. So in total there will be 3 common tangents when the circles are touching each other externally. Next one, when the circles are intersecting each other. When the circles are intersecting each other, in this case also, ఈ కేసులో కూడా మనం ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్ డ్రా చేయడం కావద్దు. We can draw only 2 tangents. Moreover, the tangents will be called as what? Direct common tangents. So this is the first one, direct common tangent AB, and this is the second one, direct common tangent CD. So we can draw only 2 direct common tangents. Next, If suppose the circles are touching each other internally, if suppose the circles are touching each other internally like this at this particular point P, we can draw only one common tangent like this. Only one common tangent can be drawn. Okay. Whenever the circles are concentric, concentric means this is how the circles will be. Both will have the same center. Basically, they are called as concentric, or a circle drawn inside the circle without any internal contact. In that case, we cannot draw any tangents. The answer will be 0. The answer will be 0. So like this, in the exams, they will ask us questions regarding number of common tangents also. So exams లోని మనకి number of common tangents draw చేయడానికి questions కూడా అడిగే chances అయితే ఉంటాయి. So let us summarize the concepts now. So direct common tangent. So direct common tangent length find చేయడానికి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? రూట్ ఓవర్ d స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ r1 మైనస్ r2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ డే 1 లోని దీని గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. అలానే కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా డెరైవ్ చేసి క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా సాల్వ్ చేశాను. నెక్స్ట్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? రూట్ ఓవర్ d స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ r1 ప్లస్ r2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే. సో డైరెక్ట్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్ అయితే r1 మైనస్ r2 వస్తుంది. సో డైరెక్ట్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి r1 మైనస్ r2. ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి r1 ప్లస్ r2. సో రెండిట్లోని అదొకటే చేంజ్, మైనస్ ప్లస్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, సో ఇది ప్రీవియస్ లెసన్ నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. టూ నాన్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ సర్కిల్స్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ టాంజెంట్స్ వీ కెన్ డ్రా ఈస్ 4. Two circles touching each other, number of common tangents we can draw is 3. Two intersecting circles, the number of common tangents we can draw is 2. Two circles touching internally, the number of common tangents we can draw is 1. Concentric circles, the number of common tangents we can draw is 0. So basic ga number of common tangents అనేవి ఇలా స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయండి. They will start from 4 and they will end at 0. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. ప్రతి కండిషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే. Now let us see the first question. If two circles intersect at 2 points, fine. So he is saying that there will be two circles like this, circle 1 and next circle 2. So circle 1 and circle 2 both are intersecting at 2 points. How many common tangents are possible if the circles have the same radius? Okay. So question ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏంటి అంటే both circles కి radius అనేది same. Suppose the radius of the circles is same, both will have the same size. So in this case also, number of common tangents we can draw is how many? This is the first one and this is the second one. So number of common tangents we can draw will be 2. Moreover, our two common tangents, a type of common tangents outai, they will be called as direct common tangents, not transverse common tangents. Okay. So the answer is 2, that is option B. Next one, two circles with radii 14 and 6. Okay, ఈ two circles కి radius 14, ఇంకొకటేమో 6. సో larger circle కి 14, smaller circle కి ఏమో 6. And the distance between the centers, both the circles are how many centimeters apart? They are 40 centimeters apart. Find the length of the transverse common tangent. Okay, ఈ type of question కి మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఫార్ములా ఎలా ఫైండ్ చేయాలో తెలుసు. సో L is equal to root over d square అంటే distance between the centers 40 square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. So r1 plus r2 whole square is 14 plus 6, it will be 20. So this is 20 square. So value of L will be how much? Root over 1600 minus 400 and answer is what? Root over 1200. So root over 1200 centimeters, option A is the correct answer for this question. The next one. The radii of two circles are 5 and 10 and the distance between the centers is 17. Find the length of transverse common tangent. See, actually there is no difference between the previous question and this question. But why this question is displayed here? The reason is, this question is displayed in the reason enti ante, you can understand that they are asking us to find out the length of transverse common tangent. And you guys know that length of transverse common tangent, the formula is root over d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. Okay, so d square means distance between the centers, that is 17 square, minus r1 plus r2 whole square means 10 plus 5, it will be 15 square. So basically, if you understand this particular formula, that is L is equal to root over d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. Actually, the formula is following which concept? It is following Pythagoras theorem. It is following Pythagoras theorem. So basically, distance d, r1 plus r2, and next length of the tangent will form Pythagorean triplets. If you understand this point, we can easily solve the question without doing any calculation. How do we do that? See here, distance is given as 17, r1 plus r2 is 15, and we know that they will follow Pythagorean triplets here. So what are Pythagorean triplets? What are Pythagorean triplets? It will be 8, 15 and 17. So 8, 15 and 17 means what we can understand? 8, 15 and 17 means the length of the transverse common tangent will be 8 centimeters. Okay. So like that we can solve the equations by looking at the given information without doing any calculation. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో ఇస్తే మీకు డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద సెంటర్స్ 17 ఉన్నది. Sum of the radius of both the circles 10 plus 5, it is 15. So the third side will be 8. So 8, 15, 17 are following Pythagorean triplets. So 8 will be the answer. Next one. Two circles with centers B and D. Okay. There are two circles with centers B and D. Having radii. So one circle radius is 4 and the other circle radius is x. And next, AC is a transverse common tangent to both the circles. AC is a transverse common tangent for both the circles, intersecting line BD at point E. So if suppose you join these 2 points B and D, the transverse common tangent is intersecting the line BD at point E. If length of EA is 6 and next length of EC is 9, find the value of x. Find the value of x is the question. So basically these type of questions has to be solved without using the formula. And which concept we will use here? We will use similarity of triangles concept. Similarity of triangles concept will be used. How to use similarity of triangles concept? See, understand, once you draw the tangent line AC, okay, and next the radius 4 and radius x, at this point of contact the angle will be how much? 90 degrees. Because I told you radius and tangent always intersect at 90 degrees, and here the angle will be how much? 90 degrees. At this particular point E, these two angles will be called as vertically opposite angles, that is theta and theta. Theta and theta vertically opposite angles. So if you take this green color triangle ABE, we take this green color triangle ABE, one of the angles is 90, the second angle is theta, this will be 90 degrees minus theta. And next, if you take the second triangle EDC, the same will be followed. Theta 90 degrees and the other angle will be taken as how much? 90 degrees minus theta. So basically larger triangle 3 angles and smaller triangle 3 angles are same. They are called as what? Similar triangles. Similar triangles. Okay. So how do we solve the question now? We understand that in the larger triangle, 90 degrees minus theta opposite side is 6. Okay. In the smaller triangle, 90 degrees minus theta opposite side is 9. Is equal to next, in the larger triangle, what is theta opposite side? It is 4 divided by theta opposite side in the second triangle is x. So we try to solve this particular ratio. 2 2s, 2 3s, 3 1, 3 3s. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 6 centimeters. I think this must be 6 centimeters. Option D is the correct answer. 6 centimeters is the correct answer. To the next one. The ratio in which transverse common tangent drawn to two circles with radius 4 and 6 centimeters divides the line joining the centers in what ratio? Okay, the question is If suppose you join the points, the centers, let us take it as O and O dash, definitely the distance will intersect the transverse common tangent at one point, let us take it as P. And next, the radius of the circles are given as 6, and this is how much? This is 4. The question is, in what ratio this transverse common tangent will divide the line joining the centers? Let us understand that if suppose this is taken as x and this is taken as y, you have to find the ratio for x and y. X is to y is what you have to find. See, whenever you see information like this, ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇలా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తే మాత్రం అండర్స్టాండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ similarity of triangles concept. Reason ఏంటి? Why? What is the reason? Because at the point of intersection, these two angles will be same, that is theta and theta. And here the angle is 90, and here the angle is 90. This is 90 degrees minus theta, and this is 90 degrees minus theta. Okay. So both the triangles angles are same. The triangles are similar. In the larger triangle, what is 90 degrees opposite? X. In the smaller triangle, what is 90 degrees opposite? Y is equal to, in the larger triangle, what is theta opposite? In the larger triangle, what is theta opposite? 6. Next, what is theta opposite in the second triangle? 4. So once you equal the ratio, you will get the answer. How much it is? 3's and 2's. So 3 is to 2 or 2 is to 3 must be the answers. Because in the question, they are not saying larger to smaller or smaller to larger. So among the options which is there, 2 is to 3 is there. So 2 is to 3 will be the correct answer. If suppose specifically they are asking for the larger circle to smaller circle radius ratio or the distance ratio, then the answer will be what? 3 is to 2. Okay. To the next one. If the difference between the radii of two circles is 4 centimeters, if suppose I take the radius as R1 and R2, the question is saying that R1 minus R2 difference is 4 centimeters. And the distance between the centers, if I take them as A and B, the distance between the centers AB is given as almost 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. And next, and the distance of 15 centimeters between the centers of two circles is divided in the ratio 3 is to 2. If suppose the point of intersection is P by the common tangent CD, it is dividing it in the ratio what? 3 is to 2. So understand, if suppose this is 3x, this will be taken as how much? 2x. Okay. In that case, every time there is no need to prove similarity. We understand here the angle is 90, here the angle is 90, and these two angles are same. So those two triangles are similar. The larger triangle sides will go in multiples of 3, right? The smaller triangle sides will go in multiples of 2 because this is 3x and 2x. So definitely this will be taken as how much? 3y, and this will be taken as how much? 2y. In that case, we can understand R1 minus R2 is 4 centimeters. So 3y minus 2y is equal to 4. So y is equal to how much? 4. So 4 3's is what? 4 3's is 12. That is the radius for the first circle. And next, 2 4's is what? 8 centimeters. That is the radius for the second circle. The question is find the length of transverse common tangent. Everyone knows the formula to find out the transverse common tangent. That is L is equal to root over D square, distance between the centers. How much it is? 15. So 15 square minus R1. Okay, we will do one thing. In this question, we try to find out direct common tangent. We will try to find out direct common tangent. See, even though the transverse common tangent is there, it is intersecting the distance between the centers, it is absolutely fine. We try to find out the direct common tangent. The reason is R1 plus R2 means 12 plus 8, which is 20. 15 square minus 20 square will give you negative value, so we cannot solve the question like that. So we try to find out direct common tangent. In that case, the formula is what? R1 minus R2 whole square, right? R1 minus R2 whole square. So value of L will be root over 15 square is 225. minus r1 minus r2, 12 minus 8 is what? 4. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. So the value of L will be how much? 225 minus 16. It will be 209. So root over 209 centimeters, approximately how much it will be? Approximate answer means, see, understand, root over 14. I mean 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225. So in between the value will be there. Approximately the answer will be 14.4 centimeters. Okay. So we'll do one thing, we will change option C as 14 and approximate answer is what? Option C, which is 14 centimeters. So there is a small correction here. The question is about finding direct common tangent, not transverse common tangent. Okay. So with this, we solved 6 questions. We understood how to use similarity concept in transverse common tangents, and next we understood number of common tangents also. Number of common tangents for different types of figures. It will start from 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. So in the next class we will be meeting with a new topic. Okay. Thank you.